Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to share many different kitchen interior design ideas. So many elegant designs and wonderful ideas, kitchen cabinet interior designs and so good look and good style and kitchen decorate different styles and use different accessories and store ideas and this kitchen design brown and white color and this are dark color kitchen ideas and good look good style and this L-shaped kitchen design ideas and this kitchen interior design cupboard designs and small kitchen and this kitchen so many good look and good ideas and this a kitchen very beautiful and wonderful ideas and this yellow color combinations are so nice and beautiful and this a green color very beautiful and this white color kitchen and black countertop designs and this kitchen design so good look good style ideas so many wonderful ideas and color schemes and use different accessories and this cabinet designs light color and dark combinations and this kitchen storage ideas and different fruits and vegetables and this kitchen design so nice and beautiful and wonderful ideas. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and write the comment and thanks so much you spent a few time in my channel.